NextFab, Philadelphia.
We made it!
Let's see what's going on today.
Hey, my name is Angie Hilem. I do marketing and communications here at NextFab. We are a makerspace and we like to call ourselves a gym for innovators. 4 years. At this location for 2 years. We used to be at the Science Center, but we outgrew. I do marketing and communications here at NextFab. That includes our social media content creation, curating, external and internal communications with our community that consists of members and companies and other similarly aligned organizations. So we have a great deal of equipment which is accessible to all of our members with proper training. We have staff on hand at all times to assist with creating projects, seeing them through.
Double E protected C, double R2, and cough.
We have a lot of classes. We encourage all of our members to take at least the Intro to Woodshop and Intro to Metal Shop, which gives them a lot of pointers, and you always walk away from a class with something that you've created originally. Classes range from basic to intermediate to advanced, and we even have some faculty at local universities teach things like product design or welding. Classes are available not only to members, but a lot of times also open to our local community. Things that are otherwise prohibitively expensive for a young person or a small company, people have access as a member to just come here and use it. Anyone who's ever been in a co-working environment knows that there are incredible benefits to being in an open space and being able to speak with others that have similar skills and also very different, highly specialized skills.
The best foundation I think that exists now is that the members can rely on each other. 5 minutes with them was able enough for me to point me in the right direction and figure out what books I need to read to be able to do it.
I think of our space very much as an overall co-working space, since our machines and all of our resources are available for people to use. It allows companies and small organizations and people with ideas to innovate in ways that were not possible 5, 10, 15 years ago. So we're changing the way business is done. We're revitalizing manufacturing in the area and business models entirely. We like to participate as much as we can during Tech Week, whether that's providing workshops and allowing our community to come and access these things that otherwise are only available to members.
If we could, we'd stay here all day and even all week or all weekend, do crazy projects.
There's definitely a spirit here. There's a renaissance that's happening, and we are also very receptive. I'm just lucky to work at NextFab during this time because we're going to do a lot of really cool things together. Oh, my name is Angie Hilem. This is NextFab, and I am happy to give Walnut Street Labs and CCEDC a tour of our facility today.
NextFab is like the future of America because you can make anything, and literally, and you should come and visit or help build NextFab in your own community. We're going to try to build a little NextFab at Walnut Street Labs. This is Walnut Street Labs.